Kia ora from Gisborne, New Zealand. This is the easternmost city in the entire country, which means it is the first city on planet Earth to experience a sunrise every morning. It's currently about 9:30 at night. I'm setting my alarm for 6:30 tomorrow morning so that I can get up, go to the beach, and be one of the first people to experience the sunrise on April 23rd, 2026. I'll take you with me. Morning. Sunrise time. Well, it's 6:22 in the morning. Sunrise is in 20 minutes, and as you can see behind me, we're well underway. There's a couple people down either side of the beach, and there's a running club behind me as well. So it seems like a lot of people had the same idea to wake up and see the sunrise. Really beautiful. Happy April 23rd.